Well, this is an uncommon sight. Well, let's go. So what am I doing today? Well, decided that I'm gonna throw the GoPro on my head and get a POV video of driving the Mustang. Only one slight problem. As you can see, it has rained, so gonna have to be careful, but we can still have a little fun. All right. At least it's not raining and we can ride with the windows down, because that was the whole point, because I wanted to open up the exhaust and have this little 2.3 scream. So just gotta let the HPP here warm up just a little bit, and we'll go out and get the oil temps up where they need to be, and then we can start really ripping it. All right, let's get out on the road here. Oh man, oh, these roads, oh, always gets my wheels so dirty. Just gotta take it so easy, otherwise it just gets mud everywhere. Okay, good, we made it through the mud pit. Throw this baby in drag mode here. Still waiting for everything to warm up. Let's put the windows down so we can hear the beautiful 2.3 high output. It's a shame really that the roads are wet. This car's gonna run real nice today. Nice cool air, 71 degrees right now. Ooh, nice charger. Still waiting for that oil temp to come up. Oil temps are in normal range now. I'm still gonna wait a little bit longer before I start opening this bad boy up. So, I mean, who'd think that a relatively stock, like minor bolt-on 4-cylinder Mustang would be actually something with enough power to have to be like really careful with? Not me. I wouldn't have thought that. The roads are so wet. I just feel traction control fighting me. If I turn traction control off, I just might die. So they say there ain't no turns in Florida. Well, you gotta go to the right parts of Florida to find them. There's actually some really nice turns around this section of Florida. Some of these back roads going through these forest areas. Take it easy here. Roads are a little bit drier in this section, so that's good. I love that freaking 85 PSI of oil pressure. That's freaking great. Wish I could have traction control off, man. All right. hooking. I'm surprised. It actually started to hook up there. Woo! Tell you, the torque of this little thing is, this little 2.3 is just awesome. Oh man, that Mishimoto intake just, it sounds good, man. I mean, just kind of roll into it. Yeah, right around 4,000 RPM, man. You punch it around there, it will put you in the seat. Now we can let the 2.3 sing. It's just such a happy engine around the red line. Lots of power. Some big holes. No one likes big holes, right? Oh man, they got an airboat. I want an airboat. I'll just take any boat. I just want a boat. Punching it from a 20 roll. See what happens. Let's do 40. See if we have enough room to do 40 to 80 here on this wonderful private racetrack. Okay, 40 and... oh shoot. And yeah, there we go. Oh, this thing is fun. Yeah, it kicks down hard around when you do it from a 40 roll. I don't know about a 50. It's... oh yeah. Holy... oh my. That's why I gotta be careful spinning right at 60, man. That'll wake you up in the morning. Oh, shoo! I tell you, this is one of those cars where you don't really have to drive it fast to have fun in it. In fact, I have most of my fun in this car between 30 and 60 mile per hour. think that's enough for today. Definitely watch the gas gauge move, so we'll go ahead and let the old HPP rest for a little bit. So that was fun, had fun. Something a little different here for the channel. Don't normally do these kind of POV driving videos, but if you did like the POV type of video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone you know, and if you want to see more content like this and you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Keep a lookout for the next true car enthusiast video.